At first, I hated this motherfucker showing up on my screen every single day. And then I was like, hang on, he's good at this. Hi, I'm John from Master Sparkles Cleaning Service. We do vacate cleaning and cleaning all around Perth, Western Australia.
What problem did you have and why did you reach out to the Where You program?
Our biggest problem was paying a retainer fee of 30 to 40,000 a year um, to keep two or three ads up throughout the whole year.
Oh God. Yeah, that's not it.
No, that
No,
wasn't it at
okay,
all.
yeah. Yeah, okay, wow. And then since then, have you seen obviously your expenses drop or yeah.
Okay, this is probably going to be the biggest one for us. So, the biggest thing for us in 4 years, it's my business partner and I's idea to just keep funneling into the business. But for the first time in 4 years, this week, we now have a pay increase. So, if that
Yeah,
counts for anything,
great.
like I'm now not being paid less than my cleaners, put it that way.
Oh my God, that's amazing to think 4 years as well not to get a pay rise.
You're telling me. You're telling me,
Yeah,
right?
and you've been finally been able to get your own pay raise. I actually love to hear that. That's like so
Yeah,
good, especially in this climate. Like we're living in a fucking expensive world.
man.
You need the money.
Like I've been living off of the tenants. The tenants in my house pay more than my company does to me. But now it's
Yeah.
the other way around. Now I'm like, I don't even know what I'm going to do with all this money. So for my business partner, it was 15%.
Mhm.
And for me, because I was paying myself less, because I was doing say I just whatever, my increase was shit, nearly 100%.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm
That's
stoked.
amazing.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Yeah.
fucking happy,
Okay.
man. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Great. Love to hear it. Okay. And then, so when you found the Where You program, obviously a lot of people have a lot of skepticism towards Brandon and the program. They just think we're a scam, essentially. Did you feel like any of that skepticism or hesitation? And then, if you did, what got you over the line?
Uh, he's so spot on when he says this. At first, I hated this motherfucker showing up on my screen every single day. And then I was like, hang on, he's good at this. How do I do that?
Yeah. And here you are. Love it.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
All
So,
right.
wow, that was a quick three
Yeah.
months. Like, shit.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay, and I guess obviously we've just kind of touched on what's changed and what the results have you got, but anything else that you haven't mentioned?
Oh, yeah. I have been just so much more passionate about the inside of my company. So, like, could I go overseas for 3 months and it run? Yeah. Um, but being inside and just seeing how everything operates and now being a part of the sales and having the sales tracked and converted and knowing what works. And now I can scale it for whatever I do. If I start a car detailing business tomorrow, I've got the tools I need to go and scale a car detailing business or whatever I want to go do because I have the fundamentals from getting Meta ads up or Google ads up essentially. It's made me realize, no one does care about the business as much as you, as the business owner. The incentive for you is more customers in the door, more holidays per year, or maybe you get that Lamborghini. I don't know. But for me, I know it's lit a fire up from under my ass, really. Instead of being
Hmm.
comfortable, I'm now comfortable with the uncomfortable. You know, like I,
Yeah,
I like
yeah,
making videos now. I like seeing what works. I mean, yesterday you told me, or 2 days ago, you told me you probably have too many ads, which is a good thing. Let's try and close a few. And this is what I would do. And I was like, shit, now I know even more from the support that you get afterwards. Now knowing
hmm,
it's just, you couldn't, like, I mean, you can buy the information now, but it feels like
yeah.
invaluable, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, well, especially like, I don't know, I've just come from agencies and stuff, and yeah, you just can't get that same like if like I don't know, agencies, they're looking at your account like once a month for like 10 minutes beforehand. They have no idea about your goals or anything. The platform, the system is honestly broken. And this way we can jump on, problem solve with you and actually get to the root of the problem immediately. And you just come to like you can come to any advisory call whenever it's available for you. Like
And
you
it's
can
like
just get that
people are
immediate
prepared. Yeah, you're prepared to pay for shit that's gonna work. Like I thought, like, fuck, $500 a week, all right, $600 a week actually for the retainer. And I was just thinking in my head, there's no way he's putting in even 6 hours a week. So he's getting $100 an hour in like bare mint, like if he was to put an hour, and that's not what's happening. So why are
Mm.
we paying these ad age? Like hire someone in your company and send them to go do the course, and then pay them to do.
Yeah.
It's like shit. You're gonna come out better in the long run. And knowing what Brandon says when he goes, it doesn't make sense to use me as a service. Like, and then someone like the one where that kept hitting me in the head that just made sense was Brandon didn't take clients on because it didn't make financial sense. However, I can teach you, and this is how much it is to teach you. I was like, shit, like that one there, just people offering. I've thought about offering people some one-on-one, like, hey, can I pay you for one-on-one because you know something I don't, and you don't. I can't buy it anywhere. Can I pay you? And they're like, shit, that
Yeah.
it works. So
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So love it. Okay, great. And then last question, I think. If anybody was unsure about booking a call or they're on the fence about coming to this program, what would you say?
I thought about it long enough, and then when I joined, I realized I'd left it too long.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. A lot
So
of
like,
people actually have that answer.
it's like why wasn't I doing this 6 months ago when I first saw Brandon's ads? Or like if I'm realistic, why wasn't I doing this a year ago when I saw Brandon's ads? And sometimes maybe seeing the same guy over and over again until you click it. And if it just sucks because like if it was my best friend and I was telling my best friend, I'd tell him and he would know what I'm saying. Just go fucking do it, you know? And then he'd be like, "Are you that serious?" I'm like, "I'm fucking serious, man." And then he would go and do it and he'd be like, and he would tell his best friend, "Yo, go fucking do it." So yeah, there's no words or
Yeah.
expression I can put into it, but I'm just super happy I have done it.